Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about kinds of sentence. As in my previous video we have learned about the definition of sentence, rules for the formation of sentence and the parts of sentence. But today we will learn about the kinds of sentence. So let's start with it. Firstly, I will tell you about how many kinds of sentences are there. So, as per the rule, kinds of sentences, there are 4 kinds of sentences. The first one is statement sentence. The second one is question sentence. The third one is happy or sad sentence. And the fourth one is request or command sentence. Request or command sentence. So, the 4 kinds of sentences are: first one is statement sentence, second is question sentence, third one is happy or sad sentence, and fourth one is request or command sentence. So, we will start in detail with the statement sentence. Okay, now statement sentence. We will go in detail with this. What is a statement sentence? Statement sentences are those sentences which tells you about the facts. Facts means तथ्य, जिसको हम और भी सिंप्लीफाई करें तो ट्रुथ. स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंसेस आर दोज सेंटेंसेस जो आपको किसके बारे में बताते हैं, दैट टेल यू अबाउट द फैक्ट्स, एंड दीज सेंटेंसेस आर also known as assertive sentence. What these sentences are also known as? Assertive sentences. So statement sentences are also known as assertive sentences, and these sentences tell you about the facts, which means truth. And another important point to be remembered in statement sentence is that these sentences always ends with the full stop. Always ends with full stop. 3 points which we have to remember during a statement sentences are: first one, also known as assertive sentences. Next is these sentences are the sentences which are depending on the facts and always ends with the full stop. Now we will take an example with this. For example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So this is a truth. It is a fact that who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So this will be called as the statement sentences. There are many more examples regarding statement sentences. Another one you can take as Taj Mahal is in Agra. Everybody knows that Taj Mahal is in Agra. We cannot deny with the fact. Neither we can say that Taj Mahal is in Delhi or Taj Mahal is somewhere else in the India, but it is in Agra. Where it belongs? It belongs to the place Agra. It is situated in place Agra. So these both sentences tell you about the fact So they are known as statement sentences, also called as assertive sentences, and ends with the full stop. Fine. Now we'll go with another type of sentences. That will be, the second one will be question sentence. The second one is question sentence, also known as, first one is are also known as interrogative sentences. And question sentence means when someone asks something to someone, means when you are asking a question to someone, or you are asking something about anything to someone else or some other person. And the third point is, it always ends with the question mark. The name itself defines that the sentence will end with the question mark. So we'll go through the question sentences once again. They are also known as interrogative sentences. It refers to a statement or the sentence that say we are asking something about someone, or we are asking a question to someone, and ends with the question mark. The question mark, the name itself says that it will end with a question mark. Example: what is your name? So what we are doing, we are asking somebody what is your name, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. तो हम किसी से क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ जानना चाह रहे हैं, तो इसलिए हम उस सामने वाले से या किसी भी अनदर पर्सन से कुछ पूछ रहे हैं. तो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर आस्किंग. वी आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज योर नेम? इट मीन्स इट refers to the question sentences, as the question mark at the end itself shows that this is a question sentence. Another example, we can also say, why are you sad? तुम दुखी क्यों हो? आप किसी से पूछ रहे हो why are you sad, तुम क्यों उदास हो, तुम क्यों दुखी हो, तुम क्यों हताश हो. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसमें, why are you sad means we are asking a question. So this is also known as question or interrogative sentence, and the mark at the end of the sentence shows that it is a question sentence. Now we'll move with another kind of sentence. Another kind of sentence will be your happy / sad sentence. Now happy / sad sentences. We'll go in detail with this also. Happy and sad sentences, they are also called as exclamatory sentence. Another name for happy or sad sentence will be, they are known as exclamatory sentence. Another thing, how we will identify that they are happy and sad sentences? A sentence which denotes what it denotes, which denotes a strong feeling, which denotes a strong feeling or sudden feeling. That is called as happy or sad sentences. Now another third point regarding this, that these sentences always end with the exclamation mark. With what they end? Exclamation mark. So we also call the happy or sad sentences as exclamatory sentences. When we come to know, जब हमें पता चलता है कि किसी की क्या feeling है, उसकी sudden feeling क्या है या उसकी strong feeling क्या है, we call it as happy or sad sentences. We'll go with the examples. First one is, we'll go with the example. First one is, what a pretty dress. Means, what a pretty dress. कितनी सुंदर ड्रेस है. If it's not clear, right? What a pretty dress. कितनी सुंदर ड्रेस है. And at last, exclamation mark, which shows कि आप किसी को जब आप ये बोल रहे हो व्हाट अ प्रिटी ड्रेस, कि आपको क्या पता चल रहा है, आप बहुत ही आश्चर्यचकित हो गए हो और आपको बहुत ही एक स्ट्रॉन्ग, एक सडन फीलिंग आई है कि कितनी सुंदर ड्रेस है. देन वी कॉल इट एज अ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. अनदर वन इज, alas we lost the match. Alas we lost the match. Alas means जब हम दुखी होते हैं तो हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, alas we lost the match. अरे हमने मैच हार गए, हम मैच हार गए. तो these are known as your exclamatory sentence or happy or sad sentences. One example of happy sentence I have also given, what a pretty dress. आप खुश हो कि कितनी अच्छी ड्रेस है. And sad sentences, alas we lost the match. So this is the all about happy or sad sentence or exclamatory sentence. Happy and sad sentences, we'll go with one quick revision. Also known as exclamatory sentences, denotes your strong feeling or the sudden feeling about anything and always ends with the exclamation mark. So they are also known as exclamatory sentence. Example, what a pretty dress, which is a happy sentence as well as the exclamatory. Alas we lost the match, oh हम मैच हार गए, which is a sad sentences. We are having an exclamation mark, also known as exclamatory sentence. Now we'll start with our last kind of sentence. Fourth one, which is request or command sentence. The fourth one is request or command sentences. Another, in detail if we go, they are also known as imperative sentence. Fine. They are also known as imperative sentence. And how we will identify more about the request or command sentence, that when we request or give order to someone, then they are called happy request or command sentences, and these sentences also ends with full stop. Understood? Example, please give me a book. Means you are, please means you are requesting somebody, please give me a book. So request sentence also known as imperative sentence and ends with the full stop. Another thing, we'll take one example of the command sentence itself. It will be like, do not shout in the class. Do not shout in the class. You are giving order to someone. You are passing the command. You are not requesting. We are not having the word here please. यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ हम किसी को order दे रहे हैं. That means do not shout in the class. So this is known as command sentence or imperative sentence and ends with the full stop. Sentence से ही हमें पता चल रहा है कि we are giving order to someone, और इससे पता चल रहा है please give me a book, we are requesting to someone. So this is all about the kinds of sentence. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon with the new video. Thank you.